Here I have Black Magic right here. Tire wet foam. You simply spray and walk away. Natural shine. Right here it has a natural shine right here. Cleans, shines, protects. So all you do is spray it on here. It says directions. Shake hand well. Apply to wet or dry tires. Spray foam liberally 4 to 6 inches from tire following the arc and sidewall, even coverage. Wipe overspray from wheels and adjacent panels with a microfiber towel. Allow at least 30 minutes for the product to dry to minimize sling. Okay, so I'm going to shake it like they say, like a Polaroid picture. I'm just going to spray the wells, and you don't want to get the rim and all that dirty. If you do, you're supposed to wipe it with a microfiber towel. So I'm going to spray that. Okay, I'm going to go around to all of the tires, do the well. I'm not wiping the stuff like they asked me to because for video purposes, I'm just trying to get through this. So I'm going to do that. And then over here, I'm just going to allow this to sit for 30 minutes so I don't get sling from this product onto the vehicle. So I have that. That's the Black Magic tire foam, wet foam. All right, let's go ahead and get the interior.